Intelligent crow. Crow is a blackbird known for their exceptional intelligence. Their intelligence is also evident in their ability to recognize individual human faces. In some cultures, seeing a crow is considered a good omen, symbolizing good fortune or a message. They make a distinct caw sound. Crow omens vary by culture, though many see crows as messengers, particularly in Eastern traditions where they represent ancestors or divine spirits. In some cultures, seeing a single crow is an omen of bad luck or death, while two crows may signify good fortune or a birth. Crows do recognize humans' faces, so over time they will gain trust with you and begin to get closer. Soon enough, you'll have made your first crow friend. When you hear crows, they might be alerting you to potential dangers nearby. These intelligent birds can sense what we can't, so pay attention to their warnings while enjoying the outdoors. Stay safe and aware in nature. Crows are opportunistic omnivores that eat a wide variety of foods, including fruits, grains, nuts, insects, eggs, and meat, as well as carrion and garbage. Their diet is highly adaptable, consisting of whatever is easily available to them in their environment, which can include cultivated crops, small mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and even human food scraps like pet food. It's nearly impossible to tell male and female crows apart. The only way to differentiate between them is if you see a crow's nest. Males are generally larger than females. When a crow caws at you, it could be a sign of alarm, a territorial warning, a sign of curiosity, or an indication that you have something it wants. Crows are intelligent birds that communicate with each other and can also recognize and remember humans, especially if you've fed them in the past. In some cultures and spiritual traditions, however, a crow cawing at you could be interpreted as a mystical or spiritual message. The birds gather around the fallen crow and call to each other and pay attention to their fallen peer. But why they do it is not quite the same as humans. While humans gather to mourn and remember loved ones, crows seem to do it to evaluate whether there is a threat to those remaining. In most cultures, it is a common saying that something new comes into your life whenever you see a crow following you. They are the signs of change and must help people learn to be strong during these periods. Crows communicate a range of messages, from identifying food sources and establishing territory to expressing alarm or greeting other crows. The specific meaning depends on the type of sound, its context, and repetition. Loud, repetitive CAWS can indicate territorial claims or warnings, while a series of unheard CAWS serves as a non-antagonistic greeting to check for other crows in an area. Structured calls, or companion calls, are patterned sequences used to communicate with each other about the general state of their location. There are several common crow calls and their meanings: contact / greeting call, warning / alarm call, territorial call, structured / companion calls, rattle call, etc. Crows are among the smartest birds in the world. They can recognize individual human faces, remember them for years, and even pass that knowledge on to other crows in their flock. In other words, if you're rude to a crow, its friends, and family. Crows are intelligent and have keen memories, so they might recognize you and see you as a source of food, or they might be showing curiosity or even a friendly disposition. It is good to have crows around our property. A crow family can eat 40,000 caterpillars, armyworms and other insects in one nesting season. That's a lot of insects many crows and families can find. These good environmental citizens also transport and store seeds, thus contributing to forest renewal.